little diggy bird sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, and come back, Paul. Kids, today we will be talking about birds, movement, and let's more about birds. Kids, this is a peacock. Peacock can walk. Peacocks can't fly in the sky. They have wings, but they can't fly. They can walk. Peacocks dance very well, kids. They dance very well. Which bird is this? Yes, come on, tell me the answer, kids. Yes, good job. This is a sparrow. Sparrow can fly in the sky. Yes, kids, this is a parrot. Parrot also can fly. Which bird is this? Good job. Correct answer. This is a duck. Ducks can't fly. They can swim in the water. This is a crow. They can fly in the sky. Kingfisher can fly, kids. Sparrow can fly. Pigeon can fly. Goose can't fly. Hen can't fly. It can fly. Ostrich can't fly, children. They have wings, but they can't fly. Penguin can't fly. Crow can fly. Parrot flies. Peacock can't fly. Duck can't fly. And this can't fly, children. Vulture can fly. And eagle can fly very high in the sky. Kids, I will tell you one story. So take out your preschool rhymes and songs A-book. Open the page number 37, children. Story name is The Thirsty Crow. You can see crow is here. One pot is there. So let's see that story. Kids, would you like to listen a story? Okay, so let's start. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. Put your finger here, children. Yes, he looked for water here and there, but he could not find it. So what happened, children? One day, it was very hot and it was very hot day. And there was a thirsty crow. That crow was searching for water here and there. That crow was searching water here and there, but he got no water anywhere. He got no water anywhere. So kids, after a long time, he saw a pot. So after looking around for a long time, he saw a pot. But there was very little water in it, and the crow could not reach the water. So kids, he saw a pot. As soon as he saw the pot, he must have liked that he got water. उसने सोचा मुझे इसमें जरूर पानी मिल जाएगा. So, but what he saw that there was a little water in the pot. He could not reach the water. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones one by one. So kids, he could not reach the water, तो उसने एक plan बनाया. He collected some stones, and what he did? He put like that. Kids, when we feel thirsty, we also want to drink water in same way, na? Okay, then and dropped them into the water like that. He dropped. The water came up to the top. What happened? उसने एक के बाद एक चोंच से वाटर में, पॉट के अंदर वाटर में स्टोन्स डाले. After some time, the water came up. He drank the water and flew away happily. Then now he was very happy and he drank the water. He drank the water and flew away. So that crow was very, very clever. So kids, I hope you like this story. Very good. Now children, I will ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay. Who was thirsty? Can you tell me who was thirsty? Yes, the crow was very thirsty. What did the crow put in the pot? Crow ने pot में क्या डाला? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, he put some stones in the pot. Was the crow clever? Now tell me the answer, children. Yes, correct. That crow was a clever crow. He was very clever. Kids, where there is a will, there is a way. This is the moral of the story. So children, if you decided in your mind that I have to complete this task, then you will be able to complete that one task. So you have to do hard work for that one work. Kids, we are going to make a bird with the help of the Play-Doh. If you don't have Play-Doh, so you can use your atta. I put some oil and color, so my Play-Doh is ready. I am also using my atta. So kids, what we have to do? We have to make a bird. So children, watch carefully. You have to make your favorite bird. So you have to make like that. This is a tail. Children, you can see this is a tail. And here you can make its head like that. Children, press it like that in this way and make head. This is a beak. Its beak is here. You can see. Okay. Now I am going to make eyes. You have to make two small balls and put here. Again two balls and put here. These are two eyes. And now you have to make two wings. In this way, children. Press it like that. These are wings. So this is one wing. You have to put it here, and this one is another. Two wings you have to make like that, because birds have two wings. Okay, children, so you can see. So kids, I have made my bird. You can make your favorite bird. Okay, children, with this Play-Doh. This is a beak, forehead, eyes, wings, and this is a tail. So kids, keep learning, keep watching. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye.